Hello friends, sorry, got delayed. Some urgent work came up. Okay, fine, we'll start. Hope you are all fine. Welcome to the live session. We'll continue for 10-15 minutes, 2-3 announcements to be made. Some uploadings are there, so I have added to one video, one tutorial, not video, one tutorial to the blog, so you can just read that. I will leave you the links also. And let me just see again something. Okay, friends, I don't know what has gone wrong. Any issue is there in saying? Please let me know in the comment section if you are facing any issue. And I have two announcement. Quickly, I'll make this announcement. So one is that the download link for the payroll management system that is already added, so that you can download the entire because there are some around 6-7 files are there. So you can zip file you can download to your local system and run it. So mostly I give the copy this code, that link is always available because here multiple files are there. So it is better, and it's a complete application having different modules integrated, so you can just it is easy for you to download. So in the main file, the download link is the zip file. You can download it and run it in your system. Second thing, ORM, object wrapper module. This is a SQL object wrapper module. This is a database abstract where you can integrate with your when you are talking to your database or doing some task on. Okay, studio is disconnecting and connecting again. Reconnection is successful. Let me just. Okay, fine, friends. Sorry for disturbance on my end. Something was not through in my OBS studio. Hope everything is fine. And you are getting my voice and video correctly. Fine. Once again, just I will repeat that the download link for the payroll management is added in the main page. At the bottom of the page you will get the link for the zip file, so you can easily download it and put it in your system instead of giving each and every module a copy this code and all. So because this has multiple files are there, multiple modules are there, so this apps you can the entire source code in the directory structure you can download it and try it in your system. That will be a better way I can say it is there. And another thing, object wrapper module, that's what the display part was already there. Let me just try one so that I can show you that particular part to you. Let me 1 minute. It is a just a minute. I will show you the link also. This is SQLite. I'm just going there, the database area. So SQL KME first, it is connection, and here below that I have ORM. So that is, we call it object relational mapping, ORM. So this particular module you will be using. Now let me just go to this particular page. Fine, it is there. Let me okay. So this link I will leave it in the description. I will just show you the details also. Let me just check it whether you are fine. Here it is. So this particular page about the ORM, so we call it object relational mapping. So this you can use it. This is a suppose you are not comfortable with SQL, writing a SQL query, structure query language, you can write it. Insert into table this you need not write it and use. This is object oriented one. And earlier the display part was only there. Now we have added how you will insert the record. This is today we have added. So you can read that. Let me just take you to there. So here the entire code is there. You can just see this. Fine, I will just take you there. Yeah, see this is the entirely the code for the ORM. So use the ORM, but as well, it is not that you cannot use SQL. So query SQL query, you can as well use it, but you can use the ORM also. So what are the advantages of ORM? Why we should learn this? It is something you can say, you can read it here also. There are 2-3 different ways we can advantage and disadvantage. Please go through, check this. What is the advantage of using ORM and all? And I will just say that it's not a substitute for the structured query language. You can still, I will say, learn SQL. SQL is important because that way your idea on how the database works and how the integration with the apps works, that you can able to understand it. So I am not saying that you entirely by using ORM you can eliminate the query. Okay, you need not write SQL directly, select query, insert into table, this, that you can avoid that. That you can avoid it, you need not run. But it is my advice that you have a good grip on the SQL. So what happens is SQL, that with learning all these commands, insert, update, delete, you will understand how the data flows to the database and gives you in the backend how the database stores the data, how the our commands or queries interact with it. That knowledge is quite important. So let me just come back here again. Fine. So that's all. These two are the most important things about the ORM and about the downloadable zip file. So please, sorry I was a bit late today. Tomorrow again I will try, because of some personal issues I am little busy and running here and there. So maintaining time and coming on time is little difficult for me. So tomorrow I hope I'll back again at 7:30. So I just request you, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified, and tell your friends also to join so we can have a good useful discussion. You can put me questions here, they're in the below the tutorials and all, so we can have a useful discussion. And don't hesitate to ask questions about all this Python, database integration, and about web development, PHP, MySQL database, SQLite database, Tkinter, our favorite GUI applications. We can develop it using that. So don't hesitate to ask questions. These are the few developments. Again, tomorrow 7:30. I will try my best to join at 7:30, but little plus minus are there because I am little busy with some personal issues, so unable to come on time. That's all, friends. If you please hit the like button and subscribe, tell your friends to join, subscribe to our channel. Frequently we are uploading tutorials. It will be useful to you to learn about Python programming and all, and shortly we'll start a Python session also. So be in touch with us, subscribe and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, hit it so you will get all the notifications. If you don't have any more questions, then will close the session. Again, hope I will be on time tomorrow. It's my side the delay was. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching.